So I've been using this electric fan for months now, and where I live, the afternoons are very hot and the nights are damn cold. So whenever the outside temperature increases or decreases, I have to manually turn this fan on and off again and again and again. I tried to buy an automatic wall fan, but there were not a lot of options available on the internet. So I kept going on with the same old boring fan for a few days until I got frustrated one day. And that is why in today's video we are going to convert this normal electric fan into an automatic one. Now how will we do that? Let's find out. First, I needed a device to detect this increase and decrease in outside temperature like this LM35 temperature sensor. The second thing we need is a controller to switch the fan on or off. For that I am using this relay. Now what we are going to do is switch on the fan whenever the temperature of LM35 rises above a specific threshold, let's say 40 degrees Celsius, and switch it off again when it goes below that. Now the problem with this is how we are going to pass the temperature from the sensor to this relay, and that too only when the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius. For that, what I have used here is a simple Arduino microcontroller. Let's connect this together now. Until I do that, you can take a look at this circuit diagram. You can also find this and the complete Arduino code, which is given in the blog, linked in the description. Now when the connections are done, let's jump straight to the code section. Okay, so we'll keep it as short as possible. So in the first line, you can see that we've connected the LM35 pin to the A0 pin of Arduino. We've connected the relay pin to the pin 2 of Arduino. In the void setup, we've started the serial communication. We've told Arduino that yes, our relay is an output device, and we've kept it initially at low, so it will be off. Let's talk about our void loop section here. So let's divide this into 3 blocks. In the first block, what we are doing is we are reading the value which is coming from the LM35 temperature sensor. In the second block, we are taking that analog value and then converting it into degree Celsius value. So initially it will be from 0 to 1024, it will be converted into degree Celsius. In the third block, what we will do is we will compare this value. So if the temperature value which we are getting from the temperature sensor is greater than 40 degrees Celsius, then the fan will automatically turn on. If not, it will turn off. Next, connect your Arduino to your PC and upload the code. Okay, now you can see that as the temperature of the sensor rises above 40 degrees, the fan switches on, and as it decreases below that level, the fan switches off. If you watch this complete video, subscribing to Circuit Digest is a no-brainer for all new projects and tutorials. Also, if you want to learn how you can make a 2-player arcade game or how you can make a DIY Raspberry Pi UPS for yourself, you can click on the end cards to learn more. This is Prathamesh signing off. See you again.